We have one airdrop to go and claim, as well as many other updates, so we're gonna go and talk about that. But have you seen? I got 2 Charizard PSA 10. Yep, got myself a second one. Hope you like it. One English, one Japanese. I think they look cool. I'll put them here as a background, for so to say, of the video. But yeah, with that said, let's go and jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing that I want to talk about is the unique airdrop over here. Now, this one is, you probably seen me talking about it, and you still have time to go and farm it. Absolutely, yes, it is very, very early. But why do I like it? Well, because this one, it is going to be an exchange, as we're seeing over here. And probably we didn't mention this. And as of right now, it is a tap to earn. So every 24 hours, you come over here, you tap here. I will leave the link down below to go and start. And you are good to go. Free to earn, no money needed. It's still on a development. So make sure to go and participate. But it is going to be an exchange. And we've seen with Hyperliquid how good and how much hype there was with Hyperliquid, how nice the protocol actually performed, and all of the exchanges coming, they really have some hype behind it. Thank you to Hyperliquid. So I do think that this one is going to be a nice scenario, and as of right now it is free to go and earn, so make sure to go and do it. And another exchange which I am super into it is the Plaza Finance over here. This is going to be on the base ecosystem. As of right now it is on the base testnet. And all you gotta do is, through the link down below, sign up. If you're already signed up, then this is your daily reminder to go and do the Plaza Finance transaction, because here the leaderboard is fiery. Like, you have to do everything on a daily. And if you gotta do it, if you haven't signed up, the link is down below. You're still in time. Absolutely, yes. Still on a test. It's been out for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So make sure to go and grab your test token as the first things once you land on this page. And then all you gotta do is go to earn, sell and buy, leverage, sell and buy. Simple as that. You only have these 4 quests to go and do on a daily basis, and by doing that you will scale the leaderboard. You will receive points. As we see over here, you get 4 points for these 4 transactions, which are the only 4 that you need to go and do. I got 619 points, 619, like the famous Rey Mysterio. If you do know him, let me know in the comments below if you do know Rey Mysterio. 619, if you know what I'm talking about. And then we got some future incentivization as well with the Discord, etc., game win, contest win, which I haven't done it. But make sure to go and do it, and I do have a high hopes for this one. I really think it is going to be crazy. It is on a testnet. This is not real money. It is all on a base testnet, so no need to worry about that. Following up, we have one of the biggest airdrop potentially in 2025 in terms of numbers, and this is going to be the Ker Protocol, and it is going to be on Solana. Now, they plan to distribute 45.5% of tokens to Solana DeFi users, which means also NFT holders and meme coin holders. This means that you do not have to do any particular transactions as of right now in terms of utilizing a protocol, doing that. This is all for like a normal user. So it's probably gonna be volatile in terms of, it is a privacy first layer of Solana. For instance, it's an untraceable transaction. It has the tokenomics of 10 billion tokens, and 45% of the total supply will go for the airdrop and 13.5% for the public sale. And here we have it that wants to give back to the Solana community and reward active participant who makes this growth, which means by simply utilizing, for example, Jupiter, which we talked about a lot in the channel, Camino, Mad Labs, any other Solana protocol, swapping, interaction, changing, also within the Phantom ecosystem, you will receive this other airdrop. So make sure to stick and stay tuned for it. Do not claim anything now if you see anything on the, in the transaction below. As we see over here, DeFi users from the 45.5%, 17.5% will be airdrop to users of Jupiter, Solana, Drift. We use Jupiter, we use Drift, and Jito over the past year. So this will be the 4 protocol, which I do believe all of you are going to be eligible for the airdrop. We have the meme coin holders. If you are a meme coin holder of Pengu, Bonk, A116Z, WIF, Giga, Popcat as well. So if you did hold your Pengu token, congratulations, you will receive this one as well. And then we got the NFT holders, which will receive 13.5% will be airdrop to anybody who owns one of these NFT over here. So this is going to be very, very nice. It is going to happen very, very soon. And it is also, they have an airdrop of 1% of the current supply to those who follow them and fill out the promo form with Solana wallet on their website. For now, the form is closed due to too many applications, so I will let you know once it goes live again and of course once it goes live, and we will be able to go and grab them. So all you gotta do, if you want to keep an eye on, simply search for the Ker protocol. It is this one over here, Ker.fi. Go and put your wallet. You will receive a little bit of a token. As we said, the 1% will be distributed to the overall people that go and sign up through their website down below. So as of right now, you can't simply do it. Following up, we have a talk about the Notecoin pre-market price has gone up and it's gone to 51 cents. So very nice to go and see over on the Solana ecosystem. Myself personally, and let me know your allocation down below, I have 1,900 token as it stands right now for the season 0, season 1, and season 2. And the season 0 and season 1 received way more than season 2, yes, but listen closely. Season 1 and 0 went on for like 2 years, 1 year and a half, whatever it was. The season 2 only went on for a month. That is why the overall amount that you received is way less for the season 2. And I saw people getting upset by it. But you got to remember, a lot of you, potentially, or a lot of the other people out there, only came into the game of NotePay when they were like, oh, there's going to be an airdrop. They announced an airdrop, this and that. They announced the funding. They announced an airdrop. So, of course, they want to reward those people less than what the real users like us, which we talked about season 0 and season 1, we received more because it was a longer period of time. The announcement was not there yet. In season 2, everybody jumped in because of free money that they were giving out. So I do think it is one good way for them to protect the real users. Following up, another airdrop that we need to go and farm free, absolutely free, is the Solana Value over here. All you gotta do through the link down below, you have these different daily check-ins, gives you XP point. You need to reach V1 to be eligible for the airdrop. So make sure to reach the level V1 and V6 over here. And how do you get the points? For example, you watch the daily news over here. It will open up a page on YouTube. You go and share the content on Twitter, you go and quote on Twitter. So you got all of these transactions that you can simply do on a free airdrop, and you get XP point. Make them on a daily, and then you also have this possibility over here, the starter pack. You got the install desktop app, the mobile app, the YouTube subscriber you can be, and then connect Google, Twitter. You see here they give you all this form of airdrop, which it is going to happen in airdrop very soon. And the nice thing about this is that it's an actual platform that you can use. You have charts, you got reds, you got green, you got all sorts of things, the markets, you got the DeFi market, the watch list, you got indicates as well, indication of the SSI Max 7, we got the news feed over here if you want to go and keep updated on, you know, everything that's happening within the crypto world, non-bias. Of example, AAEV is facing downside risk, unusual future for no depth, we got Vitalik update, Ethereum update, like we got so many crypto news, which is actually very nice to go and see. Like it is an actual platform, which then is going to send you over to their platform over here and have a look at everything. So it is very nicely created. It is actually useful in terms of analytics as well for the charts. You see over here, stablecoin total market cap, Bitcoin, ETFs, etc. So really nice to go and see, and really useful. So I do like it. I prefer this one over coin market cap. And then of course there is the possibility, just tap over here, over on your overall experience. Tap over here, this is the experience that you receive on a daily basis. It gives you the updates. Then of course you can go over here, and as we see, we like, etc. We've done it all. So simply go and do all of these things, watch the videos, and then go back here and verify that you watch it. You will receive points. Here we go, receive the points, verify, etc. If you don't do it, you don't receive it. It has to be done on a daily basis. We got the reply, didn't do it. We got the like, we did it, so we get the point. So super simple. Following up, we have a new vote over on Optimism, which it is the Optimism Agora as we see over here. You can go and need to vote. You need to vote over on this one. Simply click over on active, connect your wallet, and go and vote for the proposal to pass. This could potentially lead for the Airdrop Season 6 allocation for your Optimism Airdrop Season 6. Absolutely yes. And once it goes and load, if you do have the possibility, cast your vote. You need to have a delegate statement. Please set one up to vote. So simply go over here, have the proposal, delegate statement, a brief introduction, and then complete all of this and then delegate. Otherwise, the possibility or total delegation votes currently delegated to Lindy.takes, delegating to, you know, I can delegate to myself, but I already delegated to them. So they are voting on my behalf, which then it could be definitely something cool and there's something good to see. So make sure to go and do it. Make sure to go and vote it. If you have not yet voted, as we see it over here, everything has been voted for. Following up, we have the Plume Passport Early Access. Make sure to go and sign up. You got name, email, Telegram handle, what is your EVM wallet, and what excites you more about Plume Passport. Could be an allocation for their future airdrop, which we know they're going to have. So simply go and sign up. All the links will be down below. Go and sign up it, go and participate in it. You can put any EVM wallet that you want, so make sure to do it. Following up, we have the Bluefin airdrop is ready to go and claim, as we see over here. And how do you do it? Well, you get, as we see, the current price is at 35 cents, and you can go and claim your allocation through the website down below. Make sure to come over here, over on the check eligibility, go and click on it, and you will be having an Ethereum wallet. You can go and connect a Sui wallet. You can go and get a Solana wallet, or simple a base wallet. So make sure to go and try them all. What do I mean? Well, for example, I go backpack over here, so I can go and sign up to my backpack wallet over here and see if for this one I am eligible, and then it is going to say probably you are not eligible. Then we can go, for example, for the MetaMask wallet, and then we can go for the Solana wallet over here, the Phantom wallet. Connect to the Phantom wallet. Am I eligible for it? I'm not eligible for it. So make sure to go and check them all a little by little. Go and check Solana, go and check backpack wallet, for example, over here. Let's go and check this one, not eligible for this one. So make sure to go and try different airdrops, different possibility, different wallets to see if you are eligible for this one or not. Following up, we have the Bubble Map waitlist. Go and participate in it by simply putting your email address, join, and you are good to go. Potentially this could be have an airdrop coming very, very soon. And as of right now, all we gotta do is simply go and participate in the waitlist. And then once you do it, simply go over here to the mobile app and go and check out, utilize this bubble map. This is what basically you see any protocol that you want, any token that you want, see how many wallets have it, whichever holder it is that have this, how much amount, on which chain you want it to be. Watch list, search for a wallet, or simply listed token as well. You can go and search for the token, for example, who has the majority of Game 5 ball, for example. This thing over here, potentially a scam coin. You see here that somebody, so it's also something nice if you go and utilize, especially for meme coin, to hopefully find out that it is not a rug pull. Next up, got the Solana token sale is coming very, very soon. It's coming in 2 days. And by the way, the NotePay airdrop is coming in 3 days, in January 14. The sale starts over on Solana at January 13, 10 a.m. To be participating in the note sale or in the token sale, which has a fully diluted value of 350 million. The minimum buy is $100. The maximum buy is $2,000 per wallet. No vesting, 100% locked at TG. To participate, you need to go to the website down below and sign up and connect your Solana wallet, Phantom or Backpack, and complete KYC. If you do not complete KYC, you'll not be eligible for the pre-sale. So that is up to you. I'm not gonna buy into the pre-sale, but if you do, make sure the website is the one that I list down below. Complete KYC and you're set for the token sale. Include Solana, USDC, and USDT. If the token sale hits 21 million, it will close. You receive 50% of your initial investment as your allocation, and the remaining balance will be refunded by January 15, meaning that if it doesn't reach the total allocation they are looking for. Following up, we have a snapshot for the SDN Airdrop token for all Dimension stakers. Once again, another airdrop for them, very good. There was not many info about it, but if you did stake your Dimension token, you have your SDN wallet coming soon. And last but not least, go and make sure to go and grab yourself this airdrop. This is the Ker Airdrop. It is a free-to-earn airdrop. Once again, link is down below. Kind of like Grass, NotePay. Download the extension, collect points. You have rewards, you have lucky draws, you have some missions to go and do. Make sure to go and do them all. Claim, come here on a daily basis. As we see, we've got different transactions, different possibilities. Make sure to go and do it and be able to go and claim your airdrop. But with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.